This week in crypto, we have seen the biggest dip in the market so far in 2021, and there are two potential causes that influence this massive change in price. But before we start, Alfacash is a great platform where you can buy, sell, and exchange all cryptocurrencies, digital assets, and blockchain tokens. So be sure to visit the link in the description below and start trading today. And this is a brand new channel covering everything crypto, so be sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel, and there will be much more coming in the future. Now let's get into today's video. First, let's talk about this huge dive. This is the biggest dip in the market that we've seen so far in 2021, and it's really scared off a lot of these newer investors. I mean, just looking at the prices, Bitcoin fell over 20%, Ethereum was down over 30%, and a lot of the altcoins were down over 50%. And while this huge drop in prices definitely scared off a lot of newer investors, we're seeing that the prices are bouncing right back up. Looking at it today, we see that Bitcoin is sitting at around 39,000 and Ethereum is around 2,800. I mean, the important thing to remember is the crypto market is still relatively new, and we're going to continue to see this type of volatility, so these changes in prices should be expected. Like, this is definitely not the first time we've seen a major dip like this, and it for sure will not be the last. And as from an investor side, times like these can just be seen as great times to buy more coins, because obviously, like we see, the prices tend to just bounce right back. And an important thing to do is to stay up to date and understand what type of events cause dips like this. While there are many factors that influence the price, one big event that happened this past week was China's ban on crypto. The Chinese government has been cracking down even harder on their ban on trading cryptocurrencies. We saw in recent news that China just launched the yuan, which is China's own cryptocurrency, and this may be playing a big part as to why China's placing these bans, as they're trying to lead people to buy more of the yuan rather than trading coins like Bitcoin or Ethereum. But with this ban, people in China can still trade any cryptocurrency if they just use an international platform. And while China is a huge player in the crypto space, it'll be interesting to see how the yuan grows and if it plays a bigger part in the Chinese cryptocurrencies. And the second factor which could have influenced this big change in price are the tweets of Tesla CEO Elon Musk. And honestly, at this point, it's not even surprising. Elon Musk has been tweeting his strong opinions on the crypto space, and it really has had some pretty serious influences on the prices. Like we saw the hype that he created around Dogecoin, and also last week Elon tweeted about how Tesla would no longer accept Bitcoin due to the negative environmental impacts. And as we've covered in recent videos, this is due to the fact that Elon is pushing for the industry to use more green energy. I mean, and this is the same focus he has with his own companies like Tesla, SpaceX, and SolarCity. And with this big dip in the market, this may be giving miners the incentives they need to innovate their energy sources. But from all these tweets from Elon Musk, this is making a lot of people quite bearish and thinking that this is just going to affect the whole crypto space. And with all these tweets, a lot of people were thinking that Elon was promoting that crypto is bad or doesn't have a promising future. But however, this is definitely not the case, because we've seen Elon tweet after saying, "The true battle is between fiat and crypto. On balance sheets, I support the latter." So obviously he's saying that he supports crypto. And guys, with all things considered, we are looking at the long-term effects of cryptocurrencies. And while it's important to stay up to date on the events and the decisions that are being made, this should not take away from the focus and growth of cryptocurrencies themselves. And as of today, we are seeing the prices bounce right back up, so it'll be interesting to see where they go from here. And if this video was helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Alfacash is a great platform where you can buy, sell, and exchange all cryptocurrencies, digital assets, and blockchain tokens. So be sure to hit the link in the description below and start trading today. Until next time.